Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going today? I wanted to show you a kind of cosmetic install. Now, if you've seen before, let me show you here. I have the, I guess you'd call it like, I think this is the RO boot and then the Bride e-brake boot. So what I actually got here, I was able to find it on Amazon for like 20 bucks. Maybe even been cheaper than that, but because I think it's like 4 foot by 6 foot, just this Bride fabric. I'll make sure to include the link before. This is the bottom side. This is what it actually looks like here. So my plan was to actually cut a piece off like this and then put it over my arm rest console. So I was just going to show you out here since the lighting isn't the best on the inside of the car, but you have your console like this in here, and if you look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 little Phillips head screws that you take out. Now once you take this out, you'll be able to lift this back, and if you look right here, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you'll have a 7th right there that you'll take out. And to take the cover off, you basically just peel it back along the edges and pop it right off. It's really easy to do compared to the actual e-brake. But my plan is just to spray it with some 3M. This is something that if you mess up, it doesn't really matter. You just put the other cover back on and then go with it. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. So for those of you that are really curious and want to do this job yourself, I use the Gorilla Spray Adhesive Heavy Duty. Basically, it just taken it, sprayed it all along the edges on the inside here, and then sprayed it over the top edges all the way around. Now I'm going to take it down to the light to actually show you here. Let's take a look. So you have the Bride logo completely covering everything on here. Basically, you don't have to worry about the bottoms as long as you have the holes exposed, because you'll just screw it back in and then it'll cover all this stuff up. Kind of show you that process of putting it back in here in just a minute. Also wanted to say too that if you accidentally get some of the adhesive on the cloth that you want to be able to see, if you just spray the edge of a towel in some isopropyl alcohol and just kind of lay it on there for a second and then kind of rub with some force, it comes right off. So I'm looking inside here, you can see there's a hole right here. That's the part where you'll actually just screw it back in right there, and then this is the console piece. Just kind of lifts up like this, and that's where you'll actually screw the rest of the holes in here on the inside. So now I have the 6 screws I'll put back in on here, and we'll go ahead and close it down. Come on, light. That's why I didn't put it in here. The light isn't the best. Let me get a light. So here we go. Bride console rest. Looks really good. The fabric's actually really good. It has some stretch to it, so it makes it easy to pull around corners. But I'd recommend it. Like I said before, I'll include a link to the actual fabric itself. But hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was a pretty cool project, so now I have it to match the boot here as well as this one. So it kind of ties it all together now. As always, happy driving and enjoy.